Forget fast charging. If your phone battery dies too fast, it's time to outsmart it with AI. Let me show you how. Charging is cool, but if you didn't need to charge so often, with AI, your phone can now learn how to save battery all by itself. Step 1. Use AI powered battery saving. First, turn on power saving mode. But wait, there's more. On many Samsung and Android phone, AI control what apps run in the background. Go to background usage limit and turn on put unused app to sleep. Your phone's AI will freeze apps you don't use often, so they stop draining power. Step 2. Adaptive battery. Let AI learn you. Next, activate adaptive battery. This feature lets your phone learn which apps you use the most and shuts down the rest when they are not needed. Over time, your phone gets smarter and your battery lasts longer without doing a thing. Step 3. Bixby or Google Assistant routines. You can even set smart routines like this. If battery is below 30%, turn off Bluetooth, lower brightness, and turn on power savings. Just set it once and let AI handle the rest. Bonus tip. Slow charging equals long battery life. Fast charging heats up your battery and heat kills battery over time. So at night, use a slow charger and turn on protect battery mode. Let AI do the hard work. Forget fast charging, extend your battery life smartly. Like, share and subscribe to Life Hacks for more tech tips.